Hello everyone. In this session, I will show the installation of RIP11 software. First, insert the USB drive. Copy the DTF software folder to the desktop. Right-click to extract. We got new folder, DTF Desktop 11.2. DTF RIP11 is the application. Before open the application, we need to install Microsoft's redistributable package. In the Program tab, we didn't install any Microsoft redistribution package. Let's install it first. We need to install these components. Done. Double-click DTF RIP11. Without dongle, apps can't be launched. Before opening the application, I will scan this folder. To scan the files, I found there is no threats. Insert the dongle. You can see that a new device has been added. That is the dongle. Double-click to open the software. The video tutorial is completed. Thank you.